Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Alia Masara binti Halim, BMIF student from Section 6 Group 1. Today I will present about the case study for subject BMII 1113 Introduction to Industrial Engineering. Basically, we have 4 case study which will be discussed throughout this presentation. First, I'll explain on the case study 1 covered for the chapter Human Factor Ergonomic. So, a medium-sized service company in Johor employs administrative staff who work at computer workstation for 7 to 9 hours per day. Recently, several employees have reported back pain, neck stiffness, wrist discomfort, and frequent headache. Management also noticed a decline in productivity and an increase in sick level. So, below is the observation of the condition for the office environment. So, for the first question, based on the case above, explain the main aim of ergonomics in improving the office workstation design. So, the answer is, the main aim is to match the job, tools and work environment to the capabilities and limitation of workers. So, by applying ergonomics principle, the workstation can enhance employees' health, safety, comfort and also efficiency, which will reduce physical strain and ultimately improve productivity while lowering absent record. Second question is about 3 ergonomics related problems present in the office workstation environment. First, non-adjustable chairs and poor posture. The use of non-adjustable chairs with fixed armrest does not accommodate human variability in body size and shape, which prevent workers from maintaining a neutral posture, which contribute to back pain and also discomfort. Second, improper placement of monitor, keyboard and also mouse. Monitors not positioned at eye level that cause workers to bend their necks, while keyboards and mouse placed too far away that need excessive reaching. And lastly, poor lighting and screen glare, where inadequate lighting that cause screen glare leads to eye strain and frequent headache. Next, I will present on the second case study which covered on the topic time and motion study. So the case scenario is a small manufacturing company in Malacca produced plastic and electrical components. One of the manual assembly station involved an operator assembling and inspecting components before placing them into a container. The operator performs the same task repeatedly throughout an 8-hour work shift. And here the list of situations that have been observed by the production supervisor. First question is about the purpose of conducting a time and motion study in the assembly workstation. So the purpose is to analyze how tasks are performed and how long each work element takes in order to identify inefficient methods, unnecessary movement and cause of cycle time variation among operators. Second question discuss about the 3 benefits that the company may obtain by applying time and motion study techniques at the workstation. First, the company can improve work efficiency and reduce cycle time. Time and motion study help eliminate unnecessary hand and body movement by identifying non-value-added activities. This allows operators to perform tasks more effectively, leading to a shorter cycle time. Second, standardization of work method. By determining the best method to perform the assembly task, the company can standardize procedure for all operators, and this reduce variation in performance and improve output consistency. And lastly, higher productivity that optimize task sequence and proper placement of tool and material within easy reach will make the operator can work with less fatigue and fewer delays. We move to the third case study which covered on automation system chapter. So the case scenario is a local manufacturing company in Selangor produced plastic household components using a manual production line. The process involved material handling, assembly and inspection tasks carried out by workers. Here the several challenges faced by the company, and management is considering introducing an automation system to improve efficiency and remain competitive. However, they are unsure which type of automation system is suitable and whether automation will truly benefit the organization. So for the first question, ask to explain two reasons why the company should consider implementing an automation system. First of all, automation system can increase productivity and consistency. Automation can perform tasks at a faster and more consistent rate compared to manual operation. By reducing dependence on human effort, the company can increase production output while minimizing variation. Second, can improve quality and workplace safety, where the automated system can reduce human errors in repetitive tasks, leading to more consistent product quality. So we proceed to the second question. Based on the case, identify and explain one suitable type of automation system that could be applied in the production line. So the answer is a suitable type of automation system for this production line is fixed automation. Which it is because this type of automation is appropriate for high volume, repetitive production of plastic household components. And fixed automation use dedicated equipment designed for specific tasks, which allow high production rate, consistent quality, and lower labor requirements. For the last case study, I will discuss on chapter automation system part 2, which is computer integrated manufacturing, or we call as CIM. The case scenario is about a medium-sized electronics manufacturing company in Malaysia produce consumer electronic products such as home appliance and electronic modules. The company is currently use separate systems for product design, production planning, machining, assembly, material handling, and storage. The management has identified several operational issues. So, to remain competitive, the company is considering upgrading its manufacturing system by introducing computer integrated manufacturing and supporting automation technologies. The first question asks to explain the concept of computer integrated manufacturing and how it can help improve the company's manufacturing operation. So basically, CIM is a manufacturing approach that integrates product design, production planning, manufacturing process, material handling, and control system through computer-based technology. CIM also enables smooth information flow between departments by using a shared database and automatic control. This integration helps reduce delay, improve coordination between machine and schedule, lower WIP, and shorten lead time. So for the last question, the question asks to identify and explain one automation system that would help solve one of the operational issues faced by the company. So I choose for the automated storage and retrieval system, or we call as ASRS, because it can help solve the problem of high work in progress inventory and inefficient storage and retrieval. ASRS also use automated machine and computer control to store and retrieve materials accurately and quickly. This system also reduce manual handling, minimize storage error, improve inventory accuracy, and ensure timely delivery of material. So that's all from me. Thank you.